We're going to get into my computer right now and show you how to find a product. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. On my channel, I share different techniques that help with my own Amazon business so they can help others out. I also like to share additional videos related to the stock market, the economy, anything to do with making money online. I like to try things out and see if it works. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon. And just by doing that, I'm doing a giveaway every month where you have a chance to win my Amazon FBA Mastermind course, which is a complete course that shows you how to sell on Amazon. But in this video, I'm actually going to break down how to find a good product. I have a couple different product research methods. In my course, I have about 4 different product research methods, so I'm not going to share all of those. You might have tried them out, so it might not be new to you, but others might find them helpful. So we're going to get into my computer right now and show you how to find a product using Helium10 and a couple different websites, so hopefully it can help you find that good product. All right, let's get into my computer right now and break it all down. Let's go. All right, guys, so here we are. We're inside of Helium10. This is what I use for all of my product and keyword research. If you don't have it, I have discount codes down below. And I also have a product validation service. You can check out the link down below, but I basically type out a full report. I'll give you the good, the bad, and any ideas that I might have. It's good to get a second opinion from someone that's already selling on Amazon, that's launched multiple products and has seen hundreds of different products from all of my students. So I know what works and I know what doesn't work. So if you want to check that out, check out the product validator down below. But let's get into it. So usually I do product research using Helium10 and Blackbox. In my course, I have about 4 different methods, but this is a different method. So I'm basically going to different websites. I'm trying to find a product and then I'm going to bring it into Helium10 to do the research. So I'm going to use Aliexpress, which is basically like Alibaba, but like a smaller website. They have like smaller order quantities, and I'm going to try to find a hot new trending product. So what I do is I go on Aliexpress and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to come to new arrivals. And you could go to all of these different sections of the website. I'm just trying it out this way. So I'm going to go right here to view more, and it's going to bring up all of their new arrivals. Now, instead of scrolling through all of these different clothes and whatever they have on this page, I'm going to go to a category up here. So I'm going to go with home and garden. That's a good category that I like. And I'm going to scroll through all of these different products on here. So right away, you can see like these little candle holders are kind of unique. These are like waterproof floor stickers, so people might want those for their home to redesign their kitchen. Who knows? But you want to come through here and scroll through all the products, and it's going to take time. I don't know if I'm going to find a product right here, but I'm going to start scrolling and see what they have so you could get a good idea of what's on this website. They have a lot of different things, like a dog protector for your car. Let's keep scrolling down here. I'm going to go kind of fast until I see something that pops up, so hopefully I could find something. There's a lot of unique products on here. A lot of these are probably already on Amazon, so we have to cross-reference, and I'm going to do that. So let's keep going down here. What are these? Vintage specimen date record. Not sure what that is. Tea set, plant holders. Let's keep scrolling down here. Cutting board, bamboo jars, fish. So you get the point. You keep scrolling through here until you see something that stands out, and then you want to check to see if it's on Amazon. Campaign, cup mat, Northern Europe cup. So cup pad, non-slip. Let's try that. So I'll go into Amazon. So they had like a rope material, so I have to make sure I'm doing the right thing. So cotton, I think it was cotton. Let's actually click on it, and then you could see like macram tablecloth, handmade cotton braid. So let's do cotton. So we want to see if it's already on here. So here they are right here, but they only have 1 review and it's not even prime. So here's some other designs, so you can differentiate it. But a lot of these I think are for bras. You don't want to do your product research based off of that. But you can see like these cotton cup pads. So we want to see what the main keyword is. So I want to go to like this one and see what they are ranking for and see what their numbers are. So I'm going to use Helium10 X-ray. I'm going to pull it up right here and see what they are doing, this seller right here. And they're doing about $5,000 a month with 56 reviews, which isn't bad. So this is a pretty good seller. Their price is pretty low, so it's going to be hard to compete with them. But we want to see what keywords they are ranking for. So I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to come into Helium10. I'm going to go to Cerebro. And this is where you find the keywords that they are ranking for, and it shows you like the search volume, how hard it is to rank for these keywords. So I'm going to type it in right here. This is the ASIN, which I just copy and pasted. and I'm gonna hit get keywords. Now it's gonna pull up all of the keywords that this person is ranking for, and that is how you do your keyword research. You could also use their other tool, Magnet, but I'm gonna use Cerebro for this one. And you can see there's a lot of different keywords that you could target that have over 1,000 monthly searches, but there's not that many. Usually I like to see the main keyword have at least 10,000 monthly searches. That means there's a lot of demand for it. So let's search by the search volume. I'll organize it from highest to lowest. And so coasters for drinks, that is a pretty high searched keyword. It's going to be hard to rank for that because your 8-day giveaway or 8-day sales would have to be 840, but that does mean there is demand for this product. Car coasters, cotton rounds. So let's see what a cotton round is. Maybe that's what the product is. Not even sure. Let's see. Cotton rounds. That's definitely not the product. So it's kind of cool. You could come in here and see all the different keywords that they're ranking for. So like drink coasters, that's another good keyword with high volume. Farmhouse desk. So maybe this is like a farmhouse design. Let's see here. It's probably going to bring up different stuff, but farmhouse desk coaster maybe. Yeah, so these kind of fall in that category. So there's like different ones here, and these have a lot of low reviews. So farmhouse desk might be able to rank for these. They have a lot of different designs. So then you could go from here, go on Alibaba and see how much they are to order, like 200 of them, try them out. But you want to do more research. I'm just kind of going fast because I could spend hours doing this stuff. But you want to make sure that there's demand by looking at the keywords. So I'm gonna go right here to, let's see, coasters for drinks absorbent. So this would be an absorbent coaster because it's cotton. So let's go into Amazon and I'm gonna type it in right here. And here they all are. So these are like the same type of ideas. Let's see if that cotton one's anywhere. They have these cotton ones. I always say don't compete with sellers that have over 1,000 reviews unless your product is a lot different and others might want yours over these. So your product would be a lot different than these because they have like those little things on the end that looks way different. Even like that's not one of them, but they have a lot of different designs. So let's go back into Amazon and just make sure that no one has these on here. Another thing I like to look at is if sellers on page 1 have low reviews. So like this person right here is on page 1, they only have 1 review. This one only has 40 reviews. So that's a good sign. People can get on page 1 without tons of reviews. This one only has 22. And this is a pretty high searched keyword. So I'm going to pull it up right here in X-ray again and actually make sure that the numbers are good. Search volume is pretty high. And then I'll come through here and I'm going to come to the reviews. So a lot of sellers have high reviews, so I don't like that. But you want to come down to the sellers that have low reviews and actually check to see what they're doing. And you could see like these people aren't even doing 1,000 a month with 27 to 49 reviews. 121 reviews, they're only doing 2,900 a month. They are not doing great. All these new sellers are doing really low revenue. 83 reviews, they're only doing 5,500 in revenue. So this is really low revenue. So I wouldn't do this product, but that is a good idea of how you could find products. Just scrolling through Aliexpress and all of their new products on their website, and you could find different products and then go into Helium10, X-ray, and do your research that way. Now, another thing that a lot of people do is they go to Amazon and then you could go to their new releases or bestsellers. So I'll go right here, and then you want to come down to the category. So I'll come to home and kitchen, and it's basically doing the same search but on Amazon. So you want to come through here. Obviously these are popular because there's an election coming up, but you get the point. So you want to go to different websites, see hot new releases, and then try to find a product that isn't already on Amazon, and then you do your research using X-ray and Helium10. And then also you could come back into Helium10 and look at different keywords to see what is popular, and that might be able to give you a good idea. So like a desk mat has 70,000 monthly searches. So we're going to copy and paste that. And here we go. So you wouldn't want to do this because these sellers have over 10,000 reviews, but you get the point. You come in here, you find different products, and then you would bring them into Amazon. You're going to scroll through here. Maybe a different idea will flash up when you see a different product. That's what happened when I found that coaster. It was a cloth one that I've never seen before, but you could scroll for hours, try to find a good product, and then do your research how I just did it. But I'm probably not going to find one in this video because it's going to take forever. But there's a lot of different products like these candle holders, bedside storage organizer bed. So you would come into Amazon, do bedside storage, and then do your research. First off, I can see this person has 1,800 reviews, so that's going to be hard to compete with, but I want to keep scrolling down here and see different ones. Let's see here. So a lot of these sellers on page 1, like this one only has 25 reviews and they're on page 1. This one has 3 reviews and they're on page 1. So let's run the numbers and see if it's a decent product just based off of the numbers. So the search volume is a little low, but if you come down here, you can see the reviews. Even this guy with 1,800 reviews, they're only doing 13,000 a month. All these people have over 100 reviews and they're not even doing 5,000 a month in revenue. This one is, but they have 388. So if you look at all these different numbers down here, the revenue is really low. The average revenue is low. I like to see that around 10,000 or above, and the BSR is really high. So that's probably not the main keyword. So you'd want to look further into it, but that is a basic way to think outside of the box and do product research. Go to different websites like Aliexpress or Wish or different websites, look at their new releases and see what's selling well on there, and then bring it into Amazon, do your research with Helium10 X-Ray, with Cerebro. Maybe you'll find a different keyword that leads you to another product, but this is doing product research. You got to think outside of the box. You could also use black box inside of Helium10. It's more organized and it gets you narrowed down with the numbers that you type in, but this is another way that you can find a product. I've done it different ways and I've found different products doing different research methods. All right, so again, if you want to get your product validated by me, just check out the link down below. It's under $100, but that is a couple different techniques that you can use to find a good product to sell on Amazon. And if you need extra help or coaching, check out my services down below. Sorry for all the self-promotions, but I know some people do need help, and you can limit risk and mistakes by getting someone that is already selling on Amazon. But that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.